Yo dudes! Welcome to sweet potato and black bean burgers. These are simple, easy to make, very accessible. Check out the ingredients for very kind of what you'd normally have at home. Taste really meaty and delicious and go great in a barbecue. Okay, so first step, we're gonna use our starches. We've got 500 grams of sweet potato. I'm gonna leave the skin on, or my brother is, he's gonna slice them for me. Thank you, he's my knife, my hard knife. I have a beetroot. We are gonna add half a beetroot, which is about 50 grams. Yeah, just a fresh beetroot. That's gonna add that lovely beetroot note or purple note that's gonna make them look extra meaty. Okay, so we've got a pot of boiling water. We're gonna leave it boiling for about 20 minutes. And just chop them until they're a consistent size. By having the beetroot in with boiling with the sweet potato, it's going to release that lovely purple juice, and the sweet potato is going to turn ever so slightly purple. Okay, so potatoes and beetroot have been boiling for about 25 minutes. They're nice and soft, and the water's starting to look like raspberry jam. It's beautiful and kind of purpley. So I'm just going to drain and rinse them. And now you're going to need your food processors. We're going to blend and just form the basis of flavor for our burgers. Okay, so in our food processor, we have 3 cloves of peeled garlic. In they go. We have cashews, 200 grams of toasted cashew nuts. Next step, we have 100 grams of breadcrumbs. So what we usually do is when we've got any leftover slice of bread, we put them in the freezer and then just blend them and make breadcrumbs. Yeah. Next step, time to add our spices. We have 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Beauty. In they go. In go. We have a handful of fresh parsley. We're using black parsley or whatever herb you like. Any kind of herb, any kind of greenery. In it goes. Blendy, blendy. Oh, boom. Boom. So this is going to function as our flavor, our whole fat, and our binding agent. So it's beautiful. It really all comes together like nice green breadcrumbs. We're going to add this in on top of our sweet potato and cooked beetroot. We have a can of black beans. We just drained and rinsed them. Ends up drained weight of 240 grams. Okay, take 1 potato masher. Or a burger masher in this case, and we go mash, mash, mash. While Dave's doing that, I'm squeezing in the juice of half a lemon. Jeez, it smells good, doesn't it? So, Dave has done a great job mashing it. Just take a small amount and we're going to just taste it. Oh, lovely. A bit more salt. Okay, a bit more salt. I knew you were going to say that. Okay, now for a trick. Give them a little mix. Take them out in your hands. Roll it into a little bit of a patty. Make sure they're the same size. Take a potato masher, we've mapped out 6. So with this mixture you'll get about 12 burgers. And just mash them. Okay, so if you want you can bake these or barbecue them. We're just going to fry them. What temperature would I bake them at? 180 for about 10 minutes. Just until they crisp up on the outside. Yeah. So I've got a pan on a high heat. I'm going to add in probably about a tablespoon of oil. This is a non-stick pan. Give the oil a bit of a mix. And you're really just going to cook them 2 at a time. Burgers are nearly done. They're starting to crisp up and go nice and brown. Time to do up our buns. Woo! So we've gone for the brown wholemeal one. Go for whatever type you like. We're going to go with, we've our homemade vegan mayo. If anyone is looking for the recipe, there it is just there. Woo-hoo. Very simple to make and very easy to do. And does keep for a good few weeks in the fridge. I'm going with a generous amount. Okay, so next up we've got our sun-dried tomato pesto. Really, really good. This is just instant flavor. Any kind of ketchup will do, but this is, I personally find this even more delicious. A good old dollop of that. Gonna pop some leaves at the top there. We're just going with rocket, but use whatever type of leaves you like. So burger's nice, it's got a good kind of consistency. Goes together. Beauty. Voila. There we are. There is a simple, easy, delicious, vegan black bean, sweet potato, and beetroot burger. Dedicating this to you. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Thanks to anyone who's bought our book, we really appreciate it. Thanks for the love. Book's #1 in Ireland and it was #8 in UK, so thanks a million to anyone who bought it. Link below if anyone's looking for more details. Oh wow. Look at that, look at that maracuyá. Downtown flavour though. Wow. epic. I feel like I'm at a baseball game or something.
That's really
Very delicious, very...
I'll fight you over that.
Yeah. Dude, thanks for watching. Highly recommend making this burger. It is absolutely delicious.
It's simple, it's easy. Like, you do need a food processor and a pan, but it's quick and it's easy. It's a really good recipe.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and send loads of burger love.
Cheers.